Teach My Toddler. I absolutely love this. This was given to me as a gift from one of my daycare parents that I babysit over the weekend. They're PCSing, they're in the military. And this is awesome because it comes with everything you need for a toddler circle time. It comes with the poster board for alphabets, numbers, shapes, and colors. And it comes with all of the things for it. I'm going to show you everything that comes in it. And it comes in a nice little carrying case. Yes. It makes it easier to organize. So the first thing that you'll pull out is the alphabet one. It comes with the alphabet book. And I've already been using this. That's why it's all unorganized. So the alphabet book. Yeah. Ooh. And okay. Alphabet flashcards. So the A. Uh-oh. Alligator. Yes. It comes with the alphabet foam puzzles. So here's the puzzle and their foam so they can take them out and do recognition. And then it comes with the alphabet poster board. Like that. Boom. So that's that one. Next, you'll see the numbers book, numbers flashcards, foam board, and your poster. Then the next thing, and these are awesome because like I said, it's already packed and you can do so many different games with it. You can ask so many different questions to the kids, and this company actually has different, like Teach My Baby, Teach My Toddler, Teach My School Age colors. This is a color packet. Comes with the color book, color foam board, and color poster board. So you can really seriously spend 15 minutes in each area, just depending how well you are with interacting with children. I can make something like this last an hour and exciting. Standing up, doing different things. Here's your shapes book. Shapes poster board. Shapes flashcards. And the shapes poster board, foam board. And like I said, you get 4 of these. If you did 15 minutes for each one, that's an hour of your day. It doesn't have to be all at once. You can maybe do the shapes during the morning time, before lunch, the alphabet. You can do all of them during circle time. This is just so fun. And then it's packed away all into this nice little case. Snap it and you store it. So Teach My Toddler. If you like this, I highly recommend to click on the description link below. It'll take you to my training site. I have a curriculum, a February curriculum. It's curriculum for the whole February, the month of February. We have circle time, all that stuff. I'm going to be posting throughout the month of February the curriculum. But if you want the curriculum all at once, definitely go check out that link, click, enroll, enjoy, and give me your feedback. Thank you for joining Playtime, a child care trainer. This is your YouTube channel where we help you to start, grow, and succeed as a home or child care center provider. And we do this by providing you with tips, tricks, and training all in the area of caring for children. See you next time. Make sure you share the video, like the video, but most importantly, make sure you are learning from the video. Bye guys, have a great day.